Hello, welcome back to Bini Edo TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you dey watch us from. Prophet Atiti say in get message for Mila Aki. Say Mila Aki na evil single mother. So make I leave you, make you hear from Prophet Atiti.
Let the video go viral. Uwayato, let me go to my darlings. Before I go straight to my darlings, I have to introduce myself very well for the new people, the newcomer that is coming. If you know you are a newcomer in here, in this Oyibo mirror, you are really welcome. May the peace of the Lord be with you. Any man wey wan play band, wey say want to destroy for your house, you no go work for that for morning, you no go work for that for evening. If any man wey say because you can't watch me today, he say because you comment for them, because you place flower for them, he say na your downfall you go find. Na that man, you go find it downfall, that woman go find it downfall. If you dey for them, make you press it like it. Make you press the I like your thing. May I know say una dey for there. Una welcome una me una brother, new generation Prophet Atiti wey come from Edo State. He papa na Benin, while mama na Benin, Edo State. He big. He big. Edo State big. He get different type of he tribes. The language you know I be tribe imagine and ETA. So for the benefit of those that is speaking broken English, I want to analyze myself for you before I go straight to the point. Before I go to my darling to go and greet my father, my mother, happy Mother's Day, happy Father's Day. We will come talk. I see one video. Una welcome. I see one video where one woman do wait for Rojamila for Italy. The woman Amila Akin name, I don't know who know a name. Can't tell me that name. They ask me whether na Yoruba name, whether na Hausa name. I don't know. I see the video when he do. So they tell me say why not they speak broken English again. Now me say when I can't deliver this short message for them. I never take yam, I never take yaka, I never take ogi. All of una know since when I come this social media, I know they make trouble. I dey try to make peace, they go. If I dey make peace, the one we not here, I start to gain. This woman done 3 times. This one they make 3 times. So they can't tell me why not they speak Oyibo again. The time when I they speak Oyibo, iya egbe when the war follow Monica with a lolo that time. I go yeah, they'll say no natic. You know they speak Oyibo, you know sabi speak Oyibo. The woman, he can't send Mama Efe, he can't send one video for me. Wait there for Jamila. Akin, now they call her Akin and Popo, I don't know. He sent the message for me. Now me, I say I'll come reply now today. Since 3 days now, I see the message. Since when they try to abuse the enemy, I never abuse them. I want to send this message for her. Anytime when I hear my name for a month again, I know they talk to her. Now Monica with your husband, with family, Monica family. I don't know say na him be their head. Na him be the head of evil group. So anytime when I hear my matter for a month again, Madam Akin, whether na Madam, whether na I don't know. Anytime when I hear my matter for a month again, I know they talk to her. Now Monica with the family. Since I don't know, say na him be the head of the Monica. Now I say when I can't drop this short message. Now I say when I can't drop am, Mona share the video, make it viral. I beg, if una today una first day when they come here, when they look me, I beg make una go subscribe to Prophet Atiti Top Show because I get work when I can't do because of una say as Facebook be more than 4 years. As a Facebook be. What those evil people that they destroy people, take they find money for their YouTube, everything where they take the job. I see the way that they destroy man. That the naked man, that the naked woman, I come out for them. Una science is there Facebook as it come they beat they go. Una science is don't they go small. Some don't turn to pastor. Some don't they say we want. Some don't they do everything where they know how to do. I pray the one way be pastor, make God lead them well. The one way they say with one main man and woman see am, make they go they follow and they buy something. Now that one I they pray for. So the message when I come send this evening, I beg if you know what press the notification bell, make you press the notification bell. And make you press the like or thing, make you tell the other people, make you share the video, make it viral, make you tell the other people say new generation prophet attitude for outside. Pikin wey no dey hear word, pikin wey they cure them. I hear say speak Oyibo, he tell me say when I know they speak Oyibo again, Iya Egbe Monica Atuari, 5 days when you send that message for me. Iya Egbe will be your leader. You know the speak Benin, you know the speak Ishan. If you get what you defend for my body, Mama Efe, I can't tell you now. Anytime we come insult me, now pikin, I go to insult as Mama born me. Now so you born. You know, concern me, concern you. I don't know you before. I call this Facebook. Waiting not good, now I come straighten. You go sit down, wash hand. All the nonsense where they perform since 4 years ago, now they come. You do the less. So if you want to know, if you want type person me not to speak Oyibo again, you tell your Iya Egbe, your Monica, Ato Ariam Bulls. Since 5 days when he said this message, when I go look the whole video where they do, whether or not be Oyibo they speak, he get waiting this woman fight for my body. I be to say me go friend person like you for waiting. Anytime when you come and come insult me, I'll carry your pikin picture, I'll call rubbish, I'll carry Monica with the family and rubbish. Because I have few of people talk to yourself. I don't go talk to you now. Monica now day for head because now you be your leader. I don't talk anybody talk to me as when I take the group and the answer, then Monica me the answer. Maybe if I, as Monica says, I be paint people, it me paint them for 6 months. A pikin go grow, come meet them. All my record, my pikin, they'll come meet them, all the video when I don't play, they'll know say, now waiting are no good. Waiting not good for community. Waiting bad for the community. Now me I repair the goal, they'll come meet them. They'll know say, oh, una pikin go see come meet the record when I play. Since when I say a civilized world today, they'll come know the one we do best, we do bad. So now be the message when I come say for Oyibo. So if I not send a word, make una press like and love. If I send a word, una press the love. So if you don't know work in orisi waya to waya eduza no why even na gba ma waya gbe. Wa yo pa ori manuwa wa ye fa ori manuwa. Wa gi agbe wo we wa gi agbe wo ta. Iman only the waki on our one man. Allow thou okay a little wayakian, while your power or man, why if I worry man wa. Men of you are new generation prophet attitude, while we move up where we Ikbe Petu Wayan. Uwayato, even at Mama Wayak, but why any year like Facebook, you know. If you know mummy a day, okay, where a one more mummy a day, a one more. Ire imago pe agbo imago ko ogun ina we ironi ai vivi Monica to arena ladian ino bun ladian na kimi no ko pa si ai na kimi ko no ko pa si ai we bu man ko no won do yan ma say 100 you no won do because if you no see e ni na won do yan ta logbe. Isowo a group ay Monica to arini wa bere aso pa Maria Modo oto do gwa lodo in Facebook o mamie online de gbe we gbo da DI no ka yo we kan oda fo no ka kan le lo to kian wo wa o ri DI so na we need to come a woman pa no Italy Roja Miakin no re Roja Mila Iyefi na we look am iwe video Maria Boku, emi ne mai guyi. Awunyime ni kuima no boso ni wewepo. Beni ye amu magboto, beni ye amu emogboto mo ni abie. Eguyi. Awo wa yaso agbon wegbe. Emano egbe mi oni asunu danu bi e kin agogo ero. O da me wo ni na guyo. enu ladian madam eroja akin uwe ni ezedo ni azebo we oviedo egega se wa edo oviedo do via usagi uwan egega se wa kinikiri ima ikporu no sugbo e ma ri ogi ima ri woka ona agba bi gba iya wo ge mo wo rivie kenuri le yi o ige pese na oyin egbo eye do kan wa zoze mo bokuta na egbewe ne gbopa awokuta wegbe no vekere marodoro wi oni ha igba ona agba bi gba igbe ni me yin enegbe iyan olotu wa no olotu wa iya egbo wa Monica atu are ambozi yan ene useti do gume gbon ikun ni we ke Monica kigi o wa ehin akara yan ena we ni dogu we gun ima ni de gbe ni we unu we ima kporu no sugbo we ibi edo do wa ya ni yala Facebook na iri o magi iri o maka na dolo na aro ne do amanu silu ama eje iga bosu akena abunya ina ya wa dolo ni ya ki owo me ilele cause seven ni mu new generation no dolivie we no straightening we eje school ma je school no gari no mari yo ewe awi pengo wa bi ipengo wa o ka bi no wa eya la jan kege ni je imo bogwa le no ton ya beri no we ni ya iye enile wa mi upise ade we ni ya Facebook ya kiyan ira amoku agboto ira amoku gboto ami ekimi apa ni amado iya gwaligo yan ya ri bae awu ya so 6 months ya ade wa ya ge me Facebook gi ye enoke we von no we pastor iri ka ya imaporo no su gbe akin na ona ya gba wi gba na ni a ena we do kama no ri nu we no ri eni we nu we egbe nu egbe re mara ogi venu we ya dole wo olugan venu be ya dole yi olugan gwaru gwa punya kage ni ade nuisance wa commit e wa si Facebook wona mo iviedo ya gboto ami mi e ki opa ni wo ma do wo ya ri bayi ena ladian iri ladian no ya ina kare ina do fi gwe oto na ya yin wa ya fefe na mwezo fo ni dadore awe mi ore eye no buma mie baba nania ena woni do kama we obokia nurie enime nurie yunu weri ege ga se wa edo vi edukin we a odu we go vi edo wekin we mu gba owe ladian nu steam me zo be do ko we gele ko no ene gbe wekin ijo mo wekin we mu gba owe ladian me ni mo wi me ladian na nu ki an be do nu ya tie me zo di ma kun ni we kini na ra wo gi akama we ege ga se aga mi kilu kisila rita ese ena windu kama wenia iviedo no ro wa no risi e ti amobodo pewe petu wi na koma ko no pin red no me no ba me bani wa ke no ba me yi wa ke no ba me yi wa ke no ba no me no ba we no se de o wa ni we no gbe ni no se de egu me ni block e a finish video na wa ge o no pin red koma ko no gbe bad comment e no ba me wa ke yi wa ni wa se de egu me ya finish ya block yan wa mu ya picture wa se de your WhatsApp ya block yan ena lati ena windu bu ode ni do bu inu ni do kama we ya de gbe enele unu we kina gbo ye gbo wa me gbe yo o ma kan we ima we de gbo jo mo we kin wa yo bu wa sim no lo wa ne quand elle a wagbe. Voilà goumé de sur Facebook, il y a voilà goumé de sur. Il y a oui dans les miens vie et gbe oko. You only take build the YouTube when you are swim when I needed the who. You are swim when I needed the who Tony. Or what when you got Zedo. Near Zebo. Iya egbe we was there, Monica Tuari was there, was there. Iyan wa pa kian iwi ase bo yan ya se o wi ni aze dodo ina de gbe en nu we pan mede do we gun Monica Tuari be gbo yi what da fun en e ke ya kan ko si iya egbe we yan leader wa ya fe we na su no ri su ni mede do kun eniyan okorin wa e kaya su do ide kun ni wa but Monica Tuari e ya ru won Allô. Hello J, wato. Gume gwa. So Monica is going because he can't go to her no. He can't. He can't get no. He make come where. He make come where do we man. He make come where we a can't get no. Dario, he may come when now. Dario, who will come and where he may come where. In Monica, a leader again. Dario, a tout bien, viens to ya fait, ya ben win and ye woman. A picture ya some bonnet, ya so OVA. But so Oga Sege. Where see? Oh mania, ione. Okay. Ione. Where see? If you do not, it must say if you do not go, maybe you get tiny. If you know, if you me with you. If you me with you, Monica to Arian Bulls. Who TV to where you fe secretary where treasurer where sticker where who tiyan ya who buyan day. He do come away now because in Europe gume many tiny. He going Monica where ya day. na gba upo odo ogega se ami kini na mwekunda da kwere ami kini na mwekunda re sis wo wo gbodu we ni ma we aba gbewo even gbodu ya wa ge ma wo se ge ina ene bunu mi na akin me ni tai na ina ene bunu mi na akin ku we ki go awe iyo bime ena Mother's Day ena Father's Day iyo bime una ina ene una finu gunwe ona ro egbe ya de ki we ki go awe iye me gbe wa imabere mi dan yu Benedo amanu se lu ama benere ya bodie benere ya zegbo be benere ya zedo be izo ewen du kama we yo to e mo bo pe tuge ewen du tama we o ma kan we e Facebook na ga aje for more than 5 years you are lelian upa odun love it una la ponopa oli onyanga ga lele yan 6 months ago, Eladian, and supposed to hear Ladian, and then you finu getting a Virginia, or supposed to hear Ladian. Coincidence, Okuna left him, Oko left him, and also he killed Temegri Avie, and I want, and then he overcome, and I Ladiania. Why me more than 6 months a day, if Facebook, you yogo, or calm down. Then, when I wear a gangu wani, gangu magbani, where are ya bagu? Where are ligi? In your word, Yago, or how we are done with ye? Who are our go away, but what more him? Who are what more him? Our go away, but what more him? So, in other way, and no way. Imonica to around Busquet to go why, or can I caranya? E we need to tama we. O sege ami kinu ukisila. Si duwe na wa kwasha no yuwe mwenji akama we. Ebe na muza kekeri amuza mimi. Kuwe ki church nujoni o. Ya kan pastor wani head of pastor wani. Ya kan agmo, ya kan agmo ya. Abi ko dan be webo wa mwigo ya ko no ro wodo wa kule ko wodo ya go ni be de ro ni opa no be Germany no other for the 700 na ayi be the 600 buy equal so that go na no me 600 no me 1200 ya water for ko me ni set ya di buy o water fi eri 1000 omu 2700 omu gi owo e wa Igi na fi hun omega o pia ni e to pa wa me na o pia ni e to pa no ju bi do he stop him when ani pa e wo ni re ya re wo we me na o pia ni we mu yen la de be de ro ni we e other for 700 we government 600 buy I will stop that job I will go to other country they will leave the children for you Oporema Opo order am re man 1200 yen pay go was 600 yen ya survive ama we no that for ya mi go all the 700 yen come take be the 600 buy my sin no sa unu okay no na nak be ani here abi ko dan abi no go abi yan no mu no ma no si yo ma o yen ya kian Bueno what was said that said was say okuro orogbo egbosin omuga ko ugbode omuga ko gode bi Nigeria omuga ko gode yen wo me ni o mi se yen yaru gapa ojo ye kokian yen maka wi asuse ama wa ni records di go na ama wa ni government di go na wa asuse I suffer follow the man the man who suffer lele the man who suffer lele Ikunore Nigeria ga ata gbe so fale le pe ahun ama wa ni government ri goda. Abi pe aso no ma ni gbiyan, ipe aso no ma ni gbiyan, no da po wa, no ya le to tete bo kiyan. Ni da mo poti yere live video, owo kiyan mu ja kiyan. Abi pe no wa. Then ni je gbe me nu wa. Ima ya lori Facebook ya fi were ne, iya ma oda yan ne, iya ma oda kena me yan na bu. Ivieri yo. Eni ke Yesu ole le kon na yan, yan no we yan gallant. Eri abijo mo ya dole woye. Eri yo bo no eni gbe ni ya dole woye. Awo wa. Ke wa na make us wa play trumpet le Facebook ya ala pa ogogo bu abe gbia. Wa ene. No ri gume gbo we jo pet yen ba gbo yi. Me today if you do not go me wa ya egwe a short video no eri watawa wa na me me karata na wa me karata na yen wa yarere gun ya ma na yiwe gun ya ma o ayo ni sa gun ya ma o tere awe na ya ando yan I mean motor pa ni we causing nuisance in Facebook. So, if you do not go there, it will be a to go. It will be a fe. Là, il marie ma. Ni don't want nous. Il marie ma. Ni don't want nous. He don't give me a politician. He don't give you to. Même na tiye. He don't boo you to. On m'a kame la kina. Il m'a on aidé. Awa ya so eko wako de ke vie do ya no re travel azekazu do wa mi on be Facebook ga give more than 5 years ya adi wa beg be no gige 6 months ya adi awa ya beg e ita ya teveti mu ese almost oseme ka mana we ya do come ya do dole Facebook na wo ina wo ge ka sege ni ne. So why am no Manuel who give me boy me na king? O ma kan we Ija egbe we Monica atu are abuse. E video no know there, no who neja, no who never say. E boze, mo ka me no ze do. E nu gwa lo we gbe meni. I make video we platform me cause we be beauty. Ian or Zebo with darkness and enemy don't work together. I cannot work with you. You are darkness. One work with Giliki Jomo with him. Muba well adian do gume guan. So for that when mama uba well adian. When I gume guan. When you Monica to Ari, I can't do when you have you why. E picture we o ko we ni ya mu ela dian ya ya re mu ela je wono na ka wo wa ne wo to nu age kini ku ma do ba mi agwa li gege eku no ye gbugbo no ye su serve Nigeria ye o do ni ye o da fin ya ma le ji kian ma no re o bo ni re cross viva na ye we ya ban we have Facebook no pe ani ama mirror a glass. Egwi yo we ni azedu ebo ovi gbo versus ovi do ba we izebo ovi gbo o video yan ovi do no ko izebo zedu owo we ni azedu na mo ni kazeni ya egbe we ozo maka mi ni azedu so if you do not go where ya turn na gba ma wa ya gbe wa yo pa o ori manu wa ye fa ori manu wa iyan ogu wa ogogo no re ma de na wa no No, me na keep we no share video na get because of when I share video get give me wa show again. If you do ya no fe no Italy no re Jamila. No worry to no man. No one do you see. No one if you do go kugbe. No one if you do asiri opa no Italy ya fe no ri ni o na la. Wa mu ne picture we wa la ri mi wa vi ogun me. Makbolu no su gbo even if you do ya kuku gbe eje wa mi ma so ya no ga gu we Nigeria ya no ga come we Nigeria de na ya tu gbe yan gogo mu igbe bi ku nege gbon yo ya ro to ni ya ro bi gbe kian ni wa bere ni ya gogo mu igbe ni ya tu gbe ni wa wo tu wa dole wo yi wa ma fe ti dole ro pa yi o to tu wa no gini wa mo to ta aga no gi aga wa ni what are running useless man to wa eme so and I will do give a message una finu gun egu egun Monica to wari ambus ya je iye what that for go block Facebook we no block it. This one we short video 30 minutes. This one warning 30 minutes. Short one. You have your camera that be with 30 minutes. You were spread the ko wa ko they were spread the no really me wa go me aga no vera. Why make our live video? Short video ni make wa ya You was one we short video one ya blast ya ri mu na we mu da ya ri cafe ya ri ke na we professional e mu da 30 minutes video wa we ba ya wa we for we ni be send there o ya dey why we be send there o and in Facebook me e mi ro pa na we anybody even ni agwala won we ni agwale niye because ni agbon yo why no manuwa why mo out da magbon wa imonu wa ri mo vie do gboto imonu wa ri ro vie do meno guhana wa se ti keep video na la YouTube we ya wo me ke wa da do ya wo re kian mo new generation prophet atiti emi no ma ene ma dole yi emi ne ma dole yi ubere ya gba wa ni ya mi wa ye ezagani one by one ezagani ke ya la wa gbe one by one ezagani o ke ya la wa gbe wa da do get the more dem agbon e so if you don't work in orisi eri drop a message na say no pe agume ga no kogume ga wa ya to emi na agbon ama wa ye gbe me no ti wa ona do ka onure la press I like your thing or whatever I like your two press e ugu press the location bet ugu press the following do we la wo ero ma yo ma igba ma ya fe no wa la e ne boti YouTube wa re wa subscribe no wa subscribe me ba ni Prophet Atiti Top Show working ati wa ya we se ni pin won ni wa ike pa wa ya to emi na gbon ama wa ya gbe ni pin won ni wa Yes. My people, all my country people, I forget to tell you now. My pikin, my son, they don't call me, they don't make me happy, they don't give me happiness. God will bless all of you now. Wait, stand by me, wait there for my back. Since 4 years, 5 years, I don't hear of them. If they see look, I say, well, I don't hear of them again. Maybe if I'm not another 5 years, They don't be adults. So when I do well for my body, God will bless all of una. So now that's why I say when I quit telling you, when I drop and say I don't enjoy them, when I continue the music. Change. Eso we ti yezi ke ya tu nya he ya to me. Uwarije. Uwarije wo sa wo re o. Uwarije wo sa so da wo wo. O sa la ka du jo ko no ma. Ega ma bi o we. E baba e so ma bi o we. Iwe to gi to ko ko mo ri o pa o. Iwe lo sa di na we ne. Abo ti mi kene de wa. Aye ya ge me o. Egiro wa ya ge me ile so ato me ne. Iwe to ta ka se tu ku ni no pa lo mo tele. Iwe na ya de ke ni te na ya de ke ni e na. Baba o. Sabe eme po ni me le mo we o. O sa jo mo we me ne. O sa ju we me. Iviedo uwa ya to mi na gbo ama wa gbo wa no se na we won mo. Iwe wo mo gbe. Iwe wo mo gbe. Muslim oni me biye. Ikwe ni ahian re. He came made a mistake. He had the ticket. No honi no rie wo no re. Made a mistake. Ikpe aye we webo pe a 3 years. Ega stay we webo ega aye we webo mo iwe no jo la webo. Ima no pe akoko iwe yo bo ma no o ma me koko mo yo bo. On money they were 3 months we pass here in Nigeria. He like webo under 3 years. Ina mo money like webo. Cause if minimal like you know. No pe ave agio we me no asame gin. If minimal like you know see no me. If ni pon wo sai ame no joga oke are kinije. Ame no dio. Iye pon wo sa oba ho. E money ke ye de na iyan mi atie me. Daddy atie me mati won ku. Blood is thicker than water. E daddy ayeti me mati won ku. So when okoko wiere ego pero ni yati we daddy can be calling daddy if he trick in when you are in the house with them. But their father remain their father. I'm just telling you today. So oma vini meje, vini call meje as my heart be. Now they tell people. Mana mege na deceive man. So I so much thank God today. If you may say he has one TV. So anytime you have one TV. When up you ready now, wagume mu picture was sent there gume. He block me manu de me magwalu we man. Me magwalu woga aro 40 ke kan reme. E 40 niga vara When I work me ni man, when I gbe ni ma ye man. Who does not beaucoup de na gwo on enwe mi si hu bi ni vie wo mi aya kokugbe e bi ni vie wo mi aya si yo pa we na da pin na gba ye ma emi ne ma hi am ye bi wa we emi ne ma oge ya we mi agbona ke ya fo we no ku ya una di da pin ne ma ye ma una da gbe ni ne ma ye ma de ke ne so je aka na mi o. So rita se ni pe music hian iwie do ya wa ya we se fe ke no ro wa ke no risi iyen mi money ya me gogo ne. So iwie do no ro wa ke no risi nu wa la wa subscribe ya Prophet Atiti Talk Show ni mama kina do ni do so mi ni re do wu iyen with destiny might be delay, it can never change. Wa ma be ni mana yi ma ru le ye ma gbon e no wa important ni mami go ya ri ba ni mami go ya pe go wa ni mami go ya du pon ye gbe ma. Ego saga se ewe oni o se mo bi omo na mo ego sa ne igibe bi omo na mo ti an ne igibe bi omo na e destiny mo bi omo na e mo ti an imweti yan sanoboa efina emere no late adoma fe egogwe afewe gota era mebe ya sere ma mebe efota o ma se fogwe oni o se na rule ya magbon me oni o si e wala mi we erule ya magbon me o ga ekbi aso no more than 5 years o gwa le kini single mother ye hian o ya tutake o money no yiga ekoku we ni no yiga ekoku we zewo pia gbe be ni meji na ya tutako popa o yiga sweater wa be ekoku me e yo pe ayun ba wa ipe ana gbe we ni kan wa yo pe ayun ba wa be na yari oku ne ogbe na yari oku ne nje oku no ka bie ne a oru wa ewe aru wa we ere ari oku no ka bie ne gene de du wa mai du kan wa oku no ka bie ne no bie ne no se ya ni be na yari ere ne de oru wa yi we aru wa we ere ari ere gene de wa ke do fi mi ya we ye wa ye fi we ye ni no ti ma you know but o pe a no enegbe oga egbe afarola wede agbe bego ya wede gbe igi movie nu mai iku na yan kan to ri ma we e pia ni yan mo blame yo won pia ni asia ni yan mo blame yo won igi movie yan ya koku we wetu we pia we kin we wetu gallant e make no lead we say ki u kire wonu ya gwale nwi na zewo pia even really how we dey agbe even really how oh ne lo money ara yin o yi se ke gbe yo gloss ari go ni ari eni mo we na say be ke money mo mi kina su se okeke ni mo mi kina ru ja okeke o ke ni wa ri abdele pancake o ke ni wa ri adele coco she o ke ni wa ri adele le express wa be ya coco pe a me do ka mo wa na una okpi anori wa kemi no riri awe de agbeyan bo wa aya kosu no yo ma ono si e in opportunity ni ya travel ipa ya tuta ko pa wa èmi ni wi wo ni wo ma yi o ma ge wu yi ina pa gbebe de agbe ina yase also igbe emi na ka e agbe isopo to ne ya ki emokesun ati me so wa okpe ayagwale mi awu ya o yigi single mother wa si e na abi ibigbo na to so abani ku ma wa ibigbo na to so disgrace ku ma cause ibigbo tama ese re owe pe ari oni ari ku edo we because if you do cheap igbe so when if you do cheap seni yan so disgrace yan so abani wa video bu obo me ike o mo no respect ku igiri ju no ku zevi yo bia me next week na ya video pala ni ya be riela den be ge fe ye fe wi yan ye mi no ya kin ya be ni but we need to come wa finu wa we ye irita ni pe music
o sa ni go we me o ya na ya nya mo awon da be bi Jesu na ki ti e na awon na pa no ma ko je o so me ya
lo de o awe du generation ati re no o se me ya lo de if you do very manaji very manaba sena o ko ni ma won mana lori oko yo wa o ti o wo ki mana wi mi dan ima yegu egui o eri mana wi mi dan ji mana wi mi dan ima yegu egui ima yelele hon yan we kin e wo na gwori agugun a emi de wo ono se gegwegun e wa ya mi egbe iwe do ya mu yi no regun ya kwa tene na iwe do na wa si ahe no egi me new generation iwe ni o be ni la me ye mu me mo prophet atiti new generation so iwe do no go me wa ya to emi na gbon ama wa gbe wa yo pa wo ri manu wa ye fa wo ri manu wa ni ye pe music ogogo ni kino na di ado ogogo ye ogogo je o dewo ni na gogo era wo ya ipita ma me ori biona mo so nyemene ori biona mo omo damene ena ne la me bo mo damene wo mi owu yen ku ni bi yen pa si yin ayi o pe no we mo yin ebe ni ki aro me ko gbo kan di e ba ne la me la bu won de o me wa en wuri oku agberoba abi du ne la me bu me yi oni o si eni na ya si won agbeso we kemi ne la me tama me e ya we mi adege be ne ri me tama me bi la we boni wo ko na bi la we boni la me tama me se ri wo ko na ina we baba o we se mene origo me ya la we bo ise ja gbe no we se no wa era me boti kama we o de ti ri ne la me tama me ina ya ga sunu o mo no mate mo bote we no ko fa bia yo wa ehin o no mate o no ko fa bia yo wa ehin adubo mi we yin nyime duwe na ka me mo nyime no ko ni ma be o ko ni me be ri ni ma be ani no ko oni o si era mo ya bu won de we aduna bi egbera o me yin ne una bi egbera mo yin o me yin ne o ko na pa egiri oku aduma bi esebiri o wa kin ari ori eva ya kegeni ya di imam egbe iba mu egbe e ti kan se di kokin wa mi no da fun eku no da fun eku wana mi eku no da fun eku wa ti mejo wana mi no da fun e abadan wa ti mejo no to bo e pa wo da fun igwa lo. Because as a raw, we what God has joined together, nobody should put a sender. No, that when waku, or when already next door, iri la wa. Not to work bani, as a lilian here do a mine. Wanik be a guana. Kunopiani ria ye, on a jase, it will be you who we have a pasoko on your sea. Okwena pasoku ayi ri egume okweni ga aja senso egbe okwena be ku ofofu wa ri egume okweni ga aja senso megbe but no to boy pa okweni ga aja se oku no to boy pa me no robo pe ro robo ku so uwa ya to emi na gbon ma wa ya gbe uyedo we no uyedo ye la YouTube ne it so analyze ma wa so time ma wa no more ndomo no one day new generation ya making our we on your see ya la YouTube ne kori bieka kori no wine ade na agwa we yan vi omo gagbe ade ga we ihian we no ma gba ya ade Facebook ya kan agwo ma gwan ya ade Facebook but the YouTube ni wa kan do game be a live YouTube ni vi omo kegbe ave a gbodin a lerun a ye moku e yan re do ade oni do gwo ma gwan ya ade Facebook o wa ya to bi edo ni ye gogo eyan we ara mi gogo a se ti gogo Iviedo uwa ya ato emina gbon ama wa ya gbe kenita nema kinoma wa yiri no manoro wa yisi nema ai meno vi wa new generation prophet atiti no ki ko vi are una te vile kan wa ya kan nu wala yin ya ya le ra mi je me e tin lo nu wala nu wa subscribe ya prophet atiti top show wala yin yo pe na yin yo ku na yin yo mo ya fefefe ora even ni ya gbon o se no subscribe ya YouTube me se bi ni ya gbon ai wa lele me una lele me dedegbe una da me dedegbe uru na ne kari ni ebe owe o to so are ni uruna ne kariene we no aweni wa lele me sigba ona dan e video mo na gbe okoto odu sun ayewe iye du no go me voilà nous va subscribe à le Prophet Atiti Top Show et on a de una do son et ri gun se wo tana adiri tem no magba ke no gba ke ya no magba wa yi no manoro wa ya we mi wa ya to e mi na gbon ama wa ya gbe wa yo pa u ori manu wa ye fa ori manu wa ohun ni yegie e yegie wa ka me mi la kin ora suini me idegbe monica batwari ambus ibuyande awe gbe okiran ni meri e igba meri e we lidarian no meri e wo lotu orian no ya agumegun gigun yagun monica batwari ambus ohun e yaje oni we ni do ka me bi edo ya fe wa ya to emi na gbon ama wa ya gbe wa jo pa ori manu wa fera video no se pe fera wa pied le quotation bet wa play I like your thing voilà ili kwa se wotana wa ya to emi na gbon ama wa ya gbe wa yo pa ori manu wa ye fa ori manu wa ke blogger no ga mo video na we no measure we no ri eni meye ba new generation Prophet Atiti ori e yo Prophet Atiti the new generation blogger voilà o me comment so ni mi e ase e blogger so e comment so ni mi e so we e o vie kekero ike ya ka mu wa ya fe wa ke mu video me e wa no bu wa ke mu e wo ma ri e ba de ku me de imami no wa we no wa ya mu video more than 3 years ya di no di ten kobo gumero imami no wa he believe where or second years on YouTube me he can mo pe aka mo wo we ni ayi mo video me e ga no ye ke na ma wonu wa ya mo video me o wa ya mo o be ga no be self to come wa mo video me iya wo bo wa aya kosi no onyo ma igi we video no ma o iwe ne ma o ge ga say YouTube me ya giri wala no wa egui if you don't go ukinode eleboti e pray on the 15 wo ya we birthday me okuya ohu no no gume mi agbadia ogumerere aduguma seti bere always at the night of eleboti e location bet na ya gbon mi location bet na ya gbon mi no ma wa we gbo we dan ewi dan le ligio wa we gbo we si ewi si le ligio wa we awe de na biomo ono kwa no o si at the night of April 15 ya do gogo ma pe agogo mo ku wiri po bapo wa ya to emi na gbon ama wa ya gbe wala iyo mo ya fe kin wa riri aje kin wa se kin wa rame wala wa beri mi no sunu wo ina wa beri e mi no sunu wo e mi no gba e mi no keke we mo awon are yana da miegbe awunyi me ni jinya ni yo to na hin unyi me no lo zanji omo unyi me ne gi omo concentrate wo ore any place no garu webu omo e o wije me ba na hin na wa laru wa segbe for the benefit of those that not speak my language does not speak my dialect all the mothers please una see wetin dey go for outside so no be wetin good. Women, some men, we don't know themselves where the naked women they go because of money. I beg. If you they do something, make you they look what you they do. Because all those disgrace when they come so. If you not affect you with the picking where you born, we pray me not affect them all because then they go for road. You know, if you concentrate, they go the thinking and say, my mama, you do this one. That's why you see some picking, they know they greet their papa again, they don't greet their mama again. Because of the character way papa behave for grand, because of the character way mama behave for grand. So now so we go talk and read this evening. I beg make una subscribe to Prophet Atiti Top Show. If we go there, the YouTube now where you go sit down for your parlor for evening like this, you will carry your pikin around body. I go speak for Edo, I go speak for program English. As I dey speak am, e go dey make dem dey jolly. The day we will pray. If I wan do anything wey no good, I dey come Facebook, you can't do am. But that YouTube, na new generation. As our people take generate together, we'll take draw one rope. Now we dey go for them for una do well. Now so the show take end today. Make una share and make una viral am o. Una God bless all of una.
Yeah, my country people, I hope una don hear from Prophet Atiti concerning the message we get for Mila Aki. So make una not forget to share this video. Before you go, if you never subscribe to Bini Edo TV, make you subscribe. Subscription is free. Make you not forget to click on the notification bell in case when we upload, you will be the first to be notified. Thanks for watching.